Hello and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic cloud computing and DevOps. So let's get started. 61. A developer manually deletes a virtual machine in the cloud console. When the DevOps engineer runs a Terraform plan, Terraform notices the missing VM and offers to recreate it. What is this file that tracks the real world versus code? Answer is B, the state file. 62. Your team is tracking the 4 golden signals of monitoring. You notice that while your traffic is steady, the time it takes for a request to be serviced is increasing. Which signal are you observing? Answer is C, latency. 63. An SRE team defines that their website must be up 99.9% of the time. This specific, measurable goal that the team strives to meet is known as what? Answer is C, Service Level Objective, SLO. 64. You want to ensure that running your configuration management script 10 times has the same effect as running it once, preventing duplicate files or conflicting settings. What is this property called? Answer is B, idempotency. 65. A company uses a central transit gateway to connect 50 different VPCs across multiple accounts. What is the primary architectural benefit of this approach over individual VPC peering? Answer is C, simplified hub-and-spoke connectivity. 66. You are building a Docker file for a Go application. To keep the final production image as small as possible, you use one image to compile the code and then copy the binary into a tiny Scratch image. What is this technique? Answer is B, multi-stage builds. 67. Your CI/CD pipeline fails because a container image scan found a critical CV in a base library. Which stage of the DevSecOps lifecycle caught this? Answer is B, Software Composition Analysis, SCA. 68. You have a Terraform project that needs to deploy the same infrastructure to dev, staging, and production, but with different backend states for each. What Terraform feature handles this isolation? Answer is B, workspaces. 69. A serverless function is triggered by an S3 upload. It works 99% of the time, but occasionally fails. You want to capture these failed events for later manual processing. What should you configure? Answer is A, a dead letter queue DLQ. 70. An SRE is overwhelmed by toil, manual, repetitive tasks like resetting passwords or clearing disk space. According to Google SRE standards, what is the maximum percentage of time an SRE should spend on toil? Answer is C, 50%. 71. You need to grant a specific application on an EC2 instance the ability to read files from an S3 bucket. What is the most secure way to do this without using long-lived access keys? Answer is B, assign an IAM role to the EC2 instance. 72. In a microservices environment, a single user request might travel through 10 different services. Which tool helps you visualize the entire path and identify where the delay is happening? Answer is C, distributed tracing, Jaeger/Zipkin. 73. A team wants to move away from ticket-based infrastructure where they wait days for a firewall change. They move the firewall rules into a Git repo where a merge triggers an automated update. This is an example of Answer is B, GitOps. 74. You are using Ansible to configure servers. You realize you need to reuse the same logic for setting up Nginx across multiple different projects. What is the best way to package this reusable Ansible code? Answer is D, a role. 75. Your application handles credit card data. You need to encrypt this data before it hits the database. You use a master key to encrypt a data key, which then encrypts the actual data. What is this called? Answer is C, envelope encryption. 76. A startup is using a serverless first strategy. They have a complex workflow where function A must finish before function B starts, with conditional logic in between. What should they use to orchestrate this? Answer is B, step functions/logic apps. 77. You are managing a Kubernetes cluster and want to ensure that only Team Alpha can modify resources in the Alpha namespace. Which Kubernetes feature do you configure? Answer is C, role-based access control, RBAC. 78. A monitoring system uses a pull model where the monitoring server regularly scrapes a/metrics endpoint on the application. Which of these tools is famous for this model? Answer is B, Prometheus. 79. You are writing a Terraform script and realize you need the ID of a VPC that was created manually by another team months ago. How do you pull that external information into your script? Answer is C, using a data source. 80. During a game day exercise, the team intentionally injects high latency into the database to see how the application reacts. This is a core practice of Answer is B, chaos engineering. 81. Your company is legally required to keep all cloud access logs for 10 years. You want to ensure that even a root user cannot delete these logs during that period. What feature do you use? Answer is B, object lock, worm. 82. You are building a CI pipeline. You want the version numbers of your artifacts to follow a major.minor.patch format, e.g., version 1.2.3, so users know when a breaking change occurs. This is called Answer is B, semantic versioning, semver. 83. A Lambda function is running out of memory while processing large images. You increase the memory allocation. In AWS Lambda, what other resource is automatically increased when you increase memory? Answer is C, CPU power. 84. Your Terraform code is getting messy with hard-coded values for regions and instance types. You want to make the code reusable by allowing these values to be passed in at runtime. What do you use? Answer is B, input variables. 85. A system is designed so that if the primary database fails, the application remains read-only rather than crashing completely. This is an example of Answer is B, graceful degradation. 86. You need to securely store database passwords for your application. You want the application to rotate these passwords every 30 days automatically. Which service is best suited for this? Answer is B, AWS Secrets Manager. 87. An SRE team is analyzing a service map that shows service A calls service B, which calls service C. They notice service C is slow, causing a backup all the way to the user. This visualization is part of Answer is B, observability. 88. You want to deploy a serverless application to 5 different global regions simultaneously to ensure low latency. Which IaC tool is best for defining this stack and deploying it consistently? Answer is A, AWS CloudFormation/SAM. 89. A company's error budget for the quarter is 43 minutes of downtime. They have already had 40 minutes of downtime due to bugs. What should the SRE team do? Answer is B, freeze all new feature releases until the next quarter. 90. You are using Prometheus and Grafana. You want to be notified via Slack only when the CPU usage is above 90% for more than 5 minutes. Where do you define this logic? Answer is B, in the Alert Manager/Prometheus rules. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.